Learner-centered instructional strategies, differentiated teaching, learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to distinguish the instructions of differentiated teaching in classroom settings, to differentiate the different instruction through the four ways including content, process, product, and learning environment, to assess the student in gaining the benefit of instructions in differentiated teaching. What is differentiated instruction? Differentiated instruction is a teaching approach that tailors instruction to all students' learning needs. All the students have the same learning goal, but the instruction varies based on the student interest, preferences, strengths, and struggles. Instead of teaching the whole group in a one way, like lecture, a teacher uses the branches of different methods. This can include teaching students in small groups or in one-on-one session. Why different instruction? Shown as individual must better at learning information through different modalities. Different instructions allowed as educator to alter different styles. Students have different performance and readiness level. We also recognize that some students find source materials in engaging the lesson. How to differentiate instruction inside the classroom? Here are the branch of instructions on learning inside the classroom. Can use. And this is one of the many ways of instructions with selection of standard-based content. First, begin with selection of standard-based content. Second, determine readiness and student interest through diagnostic testing and learning inventories. Third, content delivery is valid through student interest, learning styles, and content readiness. Fourth, take question and review with the whole class. Fifth, student and work complete the varied activities. Sixth, after the assessment, again, review the last whole class review standard. 4 ways to differentiate instruction according to Tollenson. Teacher can differentiate instruction through 4 ways. First, content. Second, process. Third, product. And fourth, learning environment. First, content. What students learn. Ongoing assessment is used to adjust content, building on student strengths and addressing areas for growth. As you already know, fundamental lesson content should cover the standards of learning set by the school, district, or state educational standards. Second, process. How students learn. Various instructional tools and strategies are used to help students reach learning goals. Each student has a preferred learning style, and successful differentiation includes delivering the materials to each style, like visual, auditory, and kinetics, and through words. Third, product. How students show learning. Students have opportunities to show learning in a variety of ways. The product is what the student create at the end of the lesson to demonstrate the mastery of the content. This can be in the form of tests, project, reports, or other activities. Fourth, learning environment, where students learn. Students work in a variety of configuration. Classrooms support student learning. The conditions for optimal learning include both physical and psychological elements. A flexible classroom layout is key, incorporating various types for furniture and arrangement to support both individual and group work. Benefits of differentiated instruction. Teachers and students show acceptance and respect. Assessment is an ongoing diagnostic activity. All students participate in respectful work. The teacher is primarily a coordinator. Students and teachers collaborate. Students work in a variety of group configuration.
Conclusion. Differentiated instruction is a teaching method that tailors instruction to all students' learning needs, focusing on their interest for references, strengths, and struggles. This approach allows educators to use various methods such as small groups or one-on-one sessions to cater the individual learning styles and performance level.